Hello. Que fique diz que é grande, Dani diz tem que ver. I'm moving. Kayman? Okay. Let me take information. The day when I figure out which apartment I'm going to stay in, now if I'm moving 9 twins, so very this situation. Please tell me this is not cute. Please tell me it's not beautiful. We're coming back. Sister, I don't know. Morning. So, yon san ve moun ka febri nan background, yon gran gwa kap di pale nan tet yon kon sa. So, jodi a, nou pral gade dream apartment. Hein? On plaint dans votre la bogue Marie. Moi, je vais manger parce que m'a fait mal. Tellement grand coup. Ça. C'est mon grand. Ah, calm down, oh. Avec, mais c'est belle. Why mais c'est belle? Eh, bon, dis-nous, Paul, une bonne question. Pour qui ça, moun fait cheve ça? Like those. What are those? Moi-même, me fait cheve parce que besoin brick. Moi, j'aime quand moun fait allonge, tresser allonge de te pas pour brick faire. Nous-mêmes, moun noir, nous choisissons que nous remet misère. Nous râler bout de bail ça, nous mettre là dedans pour nous plus misère. What is the point? But beside the point. Ma coupe ma and then I look fresh. Ma want you brand new coat on tête moi. Coconut me fait faire. Et puis bah chercher avec son beaucoup avec son. Dia va faire là. So ma me dit de tout gypsy on senti. On dit mal. So mal bossé. Regarder l'appartement et puis mal manger. M'a quitté Fabienne là mal manger.
10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a starter kit. Plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck, this chess games, cause shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more purple rain prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting it, the pessimist gold medalists flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens down.
Claps.
So that's supposed to be the game room. Di bel. Tu pa kay fwa mwen bel la nan yo. E pi, ou konen koman ti kon sa, de m fè, nem nan kote fè nou li bon mwen depression. Sa pa ten. What is this? Air freshener. Ah, ben oui. Mwen ten gade mwen kote bon mwen li, kote fè nan li bon depression. Sa ba bon depression, ano. A gwe fan si la te wan li. So, yeah. I like the game room. It's really nice. Mwen like peace and quiet. Tu vi just bagay bitou. Sa, se ali sa? Ou. Tu bagay bo peace and quiet. Gon chache fatre a tout kote. And then... Mwen dap gade bot la ali. Mwen gade de sa. Sa se ma escalier. This one. I like that. Okay. This closet is small. This closet is not that big. It's a lot of work. That's the smallest one? Or the big one?
No, this is the like the B2. The B5 is the B2.
The big one?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
If you want, I can show you the B5.
It's okay.
The biggest one.
Okay. I like the top. Oh, it's deep. Deep, deep, deep. What's that? Oh, that's the outside door. Mình chuẩn đi muốn về sao kim trong thổ gió lên just bảo quan như bà thuốc Shamsa, it's kind of low-key. It's okay.
You have a lot of lighting. Appliances is gonna be the same, you know, as well as the cabinets.
Yes, I love it. It have a lot of windows. It have a lot of. I like the fact it have a window in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Is it still gonna be the same fridge?
No, it's gonna be the same that you just
The one
saw.
upstairs?
Yeah.
Okay, that's
Do
good.
you see?
Yes, I do. It's the sink's not gonna be in the middle, right?
No. This is the B5.
So that's exactly how it's gonna look like. And it's gonna have a window there.
Yeah.
Okay, I move in. I am moving. I'm your neighbor. Oh, that's beautiful.
You see, and you have like those windows. You have the dining area. This is a master. You have a king side bed over here. You have two pantries.
Hello. Wow.
You see?
Yeah. The only thing is the carpet, but I guess I can pass by it. I don't know. I guess, but it's gonna be a oh, okay, I see it. It's gonna be a shower. Boom.
And that's a closet.
Oh,
And it's kind of,
yeah.
you know,
It's not that small. It's not that big.
correct. kind of in the middle, right?
Yes, it's beautiful. Yeah, I like it. Just only the carpet. That's pretty much it. The room's not that small either. What's the other room?
Right here. So here, this is your AC. Here it's basically your wash and dryer, bathroom, and then this is the outdoor.
Oh.
You have, you know, the two, right? The walk-in shower.
Is
and
it
then
going to be the? Oh yes.
Yes.
I don't like the other wash and
Like
dry
the
you guys
stocks?
have. Nope, I don't like the stocks. That one I'm not a big fan of it either, but it's just better than the stock one. Yeah, but this one is cool.
This one, right?
Yeah, there's a lot of lights.
Yeah.
Like me and lights, we like best friend. So I like it. I do. And you don't have anything available, you said, on this
No,
one?
for this one.
You so basically you don't know anything. No.
How are you today?
I'm doing good. What about you?
Pretty good, thank you.
You're welcome.
Gotta be something.